Hello, good people, and welcome to Finex Skills Hub. Here, we learn, we connect, and we grow. We are in the era of AI, and a lot of things have become easier now, including building models and templates in Excel. In this short video, I want us to look at how to build a full payroll template using Claude AI in Excel. Now, here's a catch. We want to start from a blank workbook. We'll prompt Claude AI to research and then look for the current pay-as-you-earn schedule in Ghana and other social contribution considerations. Apply this research and then build a live model right in Excel. So if you're excited as I am, join me in Excel and let's get started. So before we begin, this is the final work. I did this earlier, so I want to repeat the same steps and then see if it's able to give us this payroll. So basically, I asked it to create this monthly payroll template using Ghana Revenue Authority's PAYE and SNIT contributions. And this was with a blank workbook. So it gave me first the bands, okay? And then it also gave key assumptions apart from the tax rates from the Ghana Revenue Authority. We have some SNIT contributions, tier 1, tier 2. I'm sure if you're in Ghana, you'd understand how this works. Then it sampled or created assumptions with the employee names, okay, their IDs and departments. So there's a bit of context here. And what is exciting for me is that it knows how to even apply the standard blue color for numbers or values that can change in a model, right? So these ones can change. So for Kwame Asante, his basic salary is this housing allowance, transport allowance, and other allowances. That gives us the gross salary. Then it went on to calculate the mandatory social security contribution and then gave us the total pre-tax deduction, right? Then it walked you through how to now apply the standard pay-as-you-earn rates or income tax rates. Then you have your income tax here. Then you are able to get the total deductions. It even calculated the effective tax rate, okay? Then calculated the total cost to the company, right? In the end, it summarized everything with a cost to company, aggregated it, right? And this was all just with one single prompt. That is where we are now with AI. Now, I want to start from scratch, but to be able to do this, you need the right setup. So I'm using Claude in Excel. So if you have signed up for Claude, if you are using the Pro version, the pricing for the Pro version is $17 a month. So once you have this, you need to now install Claude in Excel. So when you open your regular Excel, okay, you come to add-ins, okay, then you search for Claude in Excel. So once you install it, if you open new Excel workbooks, you should now see Claude here. Now, usually when you click on Claude in Excel, it opens up the pane which you will now use to build your model, right? So let's see how this works. So I'm going to start a blank workbook, Control N. So I have my fresh Excel workbook. I have my Claude on standby. So usually you click and then sometimes you have to sign in. So I come in here. So I wanted to create a monthly payroll template based on Ghana's PAYE and SNIT rates, right? So that's just the prompt I'm giving it. So create a monthly payroll template based on Ghana's PAYE and SNIT rates. Now I expect it to go online, research, and then apply this to the model, right? So let's commit this. I'm using Opus 4.6, which is ideal for models like this. So I'll go ahead. So in some cases, it would ask you to validate some key questions before it starts, but it will give you a step-by-step process. Everything that it is building will now be listed in the pane for you so that you can follow. Now, we may not get exactly what I got earlier, but it will be something close because sometimes there's some randomness. Okay, so it gets the SNIT rates all right. It has also pulled the PAYE rates. You are not just getting this in the Claude pane, very soon it will start building right in the Excel worksheet, right? So we'll give it some time. It will take a few minutes and it should start building pretty soon. So after a few minutes, it kicks in and you notice that my hands are off, as you can see. So just as we got earlier, it now builds it from A1, okay? So the table starts and then followed by the SNIT rates. It also gave us the assumptions that you are going to work with. So with just that simple prompt, you realize that you now have a full model, a full template that you can work with. What I like about this is that the template is dynamic. So if you are able to understand the ins and outs, you can build on, take away, and even ask it to make modifications, right? So let's see what we have here. So if I go in here, you notice that the bands, which is the current rates, are here. It goes ahead to also add the social contributions. Then it builds the sample template for you. So that means that you can replace with your current employee, okay? Or if you like, expand the tables, right? So that's the beautiful thing about this. Then it goes ahead to now give you the calculation. So gross salary, SNIT employee, tier 3, chargeable income. This is why we are here, this PAYE calculation. So you notice that for those who are familiar with Ghana's system, this is the payroll table. For each employee, once it determines the taxable rate, it goes in to apply the rates. It calculates it and then gives you the total deduction, net pay, gives you the 13% and then the total cost to the company, right? It is more than enough. I'm sure from this point, you should be able to add on and make modifications. The point here is that we are in the era of AI. Things have changed, so you can complement the work you do in Excel and in PowerPoint with these AI tools to help you work smart and save time. So if you want to explore this template, I'll save a link in the YouTube description so that you can appreciate how Claude went about this. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in another Claude video. Have a good day.
If this video was helpful and you would like to receive more of these videos directly on your WhatsApp, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list so you receive our videos directly. You can also visit our YouTube channel, Finex Skills Hub. All our old videos are here. Please subscribe for notification of new videos or connect with us on any of these social media handles. Thank you so much for watching.